Lesson 9. The sound, as in hut. Speech organs position. The jaw is 3/4 open, lips relaxed. The middle of the tongue rises slightly in the centre of the mouth.
Listen to the following exercises, noting the target sound.
A30. Must, luck, dump, just, upper, none, bus, lunch, come, worry, front, love, done, once, cover, rough, tough, country, couple, double, trouble.
A31. For someone with a love of money, the sum of £100 was enticing. Bud, love, don't worry. Victory is in front of you. I can't understand the fun of travelling by bus on such rough country roads. There are a number of nuns among us. Here I am, in front of a tub with a rub and a scrub. When you come to lunch in London on Sunday, remember to bring some money.
A32. Father, front, dark, duck, bath, bud, pardon, punch, startle, stuck, rather, rough, target, tough.
A33. Your captain was the other. They left their foster mother. The one was Ralph, our brother. Our captain was the other, a many years ago. A many years ago, 2 tender babes I nursed. One was of low condition, the other upper crust, a regular patrician. Oh, bitter is my cup. However could I do it? I mixed those children up.